perform some case-based questions. So here we have a situation, an ice cream vendor. An ice cream vendor has a peculiar way of selling his treats. He sells two types of ice creams, vanilla and chocolate. One day a kid bought 4 vanilla and 3 chocolate ice cream, paying the total amount 85 rupees. And the another day another child brought 2 vanilla ice creams and 5 chocolate ice creams, paying total amount of rupees 35.
Yes, can I get ice cream? But I have two types of flavor, one vanilla and chocolate. How many would you like to take? I want 4 vanilla and 3 chocolate. Here the total cost is 85. Please thank you. What would you like to take?
You do 2 vanilla, 5 chocolate.
Here your total amount is 35. Please receipt again.
I would like to ask you all a question. What would be if the cost of 4 vanilla and 3 chocolate ice cream is total rupees 85, then find the cost of 1 vanilla and 1 chocolate ice cream. To buy 3 vanilla and 4 chocolate ice cream, how much would it cost? Have a situation of a taxi driver and a passenger who wants to travel from her home to airport.
Okay, but this taxi has fixed amount. And what is the price for per kilometer? Per kilometer has been charged if you travel this taxi.
Can you go to the airport? Okay. What is the price for it?
For 1 kilometer it is 10 rupees.
And per kilometer?
10 rupees. If you travel in this taxi.
Here, in this situation, a taxi driver charges 10 rupees for per kilometer and the additional charges include 5 rupees for each extra kilometer. Here, the passenger wants to travel 25 kilometers till the airport. The question is, if the passenger wants to travel extra 5 kilometers, what would be his amount? The mysterious candy thief. Here in a small town there has been a candy thief. Detective Homeless and his assistants.
Good morning everyone. Myself Divya and here are my teammates Yash, Manitya, Shashank, Aryan, Kushi, Bhakti, Divya and Supriya. So today we have gathered here to conduct math activity on topic case study questions. So without any delay, let's begin.
Rabindra went to a market to buy some apples and mangoes.
Apples, mango.
So what are the cost of apples and mangoes?
5.
Can I get mangoes and apples? So what is the cost of it?
5 mangoes more than the total number of the apples. The total number of fruits she brought is 10 rupees.
In the second situation, Riya went to bank to take some.
I want loans for 50,000 rupees. In such a way that I should get only 2,000 rupees notes and 500 rupees.
Then you must get 20 notes of rupees and you must get 2 notes of rupees 500.
Situation 3. As Priya's academic year was beginning, she went for a stationery store to get some articles.
Then I'm going to buy some 5 pencils. What is the cost of it?
The cost of the pen is 5 more than the pencil.
Thank you.
We are performing a case study and the participants are Kirti, Ananya, Samruddhi. Good morning everyone. We the students of class 10th of Greenhouse. Here are the participants Kirti, Ananya, Samruddhi, Fawaz, Hussain Khan, Mohammad Ryan, Shrishar and going to act Kirti and Samruddhi.
Hi, morning. Come, let's go to the market to buy.
Yes, come, let us budget some stationery.
Hi.
Hello.
price of this pen?
This costs rupees 10 and this costs rupees 20.
I have just 84. I have 85. Can we get 5 pens and 4 pencils?
Yeah, sure.
Look here.
The total cost of these pens are 85. In this situation, Sony and Moni are going to market purchasing some types of pens. Sony has 84 rupees and Moni has 85 rupees. Sony has 36 coins of rupees 2 and 85 and rupees 85. Moni has rupees 1 and rupees 2 coins and the ratio in her coin is 5:6. What is the number of rupees 2 coin in Sony's purse?
There is a scene of a car showroom in which the owner and the manager are conversing. There is a scene of a car showroom in which the owner and the manager are having conversations. Let us listen them and try to answer the question.
Hello sir, good evening. What are the sales of this year? The SUVs are about. I'll ask. Very sorry. One second. I'll ask him. SUVs are about 30 million and supercars about. Sorry. You are the manager from where here? You don't know even the rates. I am just from 1 year. And the supercars about 10 million. I know the rates. Tell me total sales of this year. You know which you don't know. I will ask you that. Tell the total sales of this year. The total sales are about 700 million. So how many cars did you sell? Can you answer please?
Monthly hostel charges in a college is fixed and the remaining depends upon the number of days one has taken food in the mess.
Morning to everyone present over here. We, the students of class 10K of Ella House, are here with some case-based questions.
Let us start with situation 1. Can we get some tickets?
Yes. If you buy 2 tickets to Hirkalam and 3 tickets to Belgavi, the total cost is 46. If you buy 3 tickets to Belgavi and 5 tickets to Hirkalam, the total cost is 74.
Anyone tell the rates of Belgavi and Hirkalam? We shall solve with elimination method. As we said, 2 tickets for Belgavi and 3 tickets for Hirkalam. According to the question, we have 2x plus 3y is 46 and second one 3x plus 5y is 72. We shall solve this with elimination method. Here we need to make this variable constants equal. Let me take this as equation 1 and equation 2. Subtracting 2 from 1, we have So now can you tell me what is the price of ticket of Belgavi? 10. Let us solve for x. What is the value for Belgavi? 10. what will be the price for Hidkal Dam?
8.
Let me solve.
8.
24 divided by 3 is 8. So we get the value for Hidkal Dam is ₹8. So for Belgavi we have 10 rupees and for Hidkal Dam we have 8 rupees. Let us see second situation and third situation. In that you guys have to tell me the answer for those situations. Let us begin with
Situation 2. The question is, listen carefully. The students of a class 1 made stand in a row. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 less row. If 3 in a row, there would be 2 rows more. We should find the number of students in a class. Already 1 row was formed by separating the row we found 2 rows more. Now let me solve the question. Let the number of x rows be x.
Try to tell you.
Situation says that one says give me 100 rupees, I shall then become twice as rich as you. The other replies, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Tell me, what is the amount of their capital?